All right, let's see how we can replace this node array with a hash table. So I'm going to change this to hash map. Now note that here we have two hash map classes. One is the one that we have in this package. This is a class that we created earlier in the first part of this series. That was one of our exercises. But in this video, we're going to use the other hash map. That is the class that is declared in the java.util package. So we want a hash table of character and node. So our keys are going to be characters and our values are going to be node objects. Okay. Also, let's change the instantiation. So new hash map like this. Okay. Now, there are a few lines that are broken. We need to fix them one by one. First of all, when using a hash table, we don't need to calculate the index. We can simply use the current character as the key. Now, on line 28, instead of using an indexer here, we call the get method to get the value for this key. Now, if this is null, we need to add a new entry to our hash table. So on line 29, we call current.children.put. Our key is the current character and our value is a new node object with this value. And one last change. On line 30, we need to call current.children.get this character. This will return the node for this character. Now, with this implementation, we no longer waste space in memory. However, this implementation has a tiny problem in terms of object-oriented design, and we're going to look at that next.